One thing I forgot to mention in my video, um, when it comes to getting real on the strategies, uh, there's a couple of things you need to pay attention to. If you're going to get really serious, you need to make sure you're not working with a, let's say, .NET, which is really Windows specific. You want to use a language like Python or C++ for deployment, and you want to make sure that you can have it run or deployable in Linux, because that's obviously the choice. I said earlier in the presentation that Linux is the choice. Um, Specifically in the Linux distribution, the choice is usually going to be Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So even the ones I've shown you here with Ubuntu, because it's easy, I'm probably going to make my way over to Fedora, which is the open source, cheaper version of Red Hat. And then I'm pretty close to being having deployable code into those environments. So as an example, let's say with Rhythmic, and I mentioned in today's video with different APIs that are available, C++, Python, there's also C Sharp.net, and the other one that they have is through their web portal, which or WebSocket, which would they have examples of either JavaScript or Python. Like I said, ones I'm using right now is with the Python, the async Rhythmic package. Um, so you want to have that deployable in Fedora to develop it, and then have it deployable into Red Hat because a lot like Rhythmic do not go out to both sides this, but Red Hat has another operation. I don't understand the relationship, but it seems to be under the same ownership. They have two divisions where all the technology is developed by this one, call it technology company, and the data is provided through this technology company. One of the other areas that nobody knows about is that they have the hardware solutions that can be installed into CME, installed into the New York or London or throughout major trading financial exchanges. So they do provide that.